Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires, Wheels Direct. This is the Vossen HF-5 in the 22x9, 32 offset, 5 on 4.5 in the gloss black. This part number is HF5-2N40. This one comes in a gloss black. Nice hybrid forged Vossen wheel. You can check these out on our site. Put these bad boys in the reel so you can see them. Simple 5-spoke with a split at the end. These are going to go on a Hyundai Palisade. Special request from Hawaii. These are in a 5.4.5. These will fit perfect. We'll include the lug nuts with it. These are actual Vossen lug nuts that'll go with the order. Conical seat with the Vossen logo on it. 12 by 1.5. So if you guys do order these wheels on our website, just ask us. We'll go ahead and throw in the Vossen lug nuts, and then at a charge, because these do cost. You'll give us a call and ask us for the pricing, and then with the Vossen's center cap, these will go on there, fit perfectly fine. So pop right in. Open these bad boys up, and then with the recessed Vossen logo with the hybrid forged. These will pop right in once we mount and balance them and get them going. Other than that, hub rings are also included with your order, from 73 to 67 for your, in this application, it's going to be a Hyundai Palisade. And then with the wheel, we're going to be mounting these tires right here. These are the Lionhart 265 4022 in the part number LH. I'll turn it around. LH-ST522-40020. These are the Lionhart's LH-5 tires, the asymmetrical tire, so you can rotate it left, right, front, back. Once it's already mounted and balanced, we'll showcase already done, shrink wrap, and ready to go. Anything you guys need on our site, always feel free to go ahead and email, call, or hit us on the chat, and we'll be able to answer any of your questions. Thank you, and I'm Ralph with Tires, Wheels Direct. Hey guys, this is the final product, already mounted, balanced, the Vossen HF-5 in the 22x9, 32 offset, 5.4.5 in a gloss black finish. Ready to go. Now what we'll do is we'll shrink wrap them, we'll get them all palletized and ready to ship to Hawaii. So if you guys ever need any Vossen wheels or any other brand on our website, Tires, Wheels Direct, feel free to reach out online, chat, email, and phone call. My name is Ralph, and I'm from Tires, Wheels Direct. Thank you. I'm Ralph with Tires, Wheels Direct. These will go on there, pop right in. These are the Lionheart, big mounted, balanced, and ready to ship to Hawaii.